Mr. Lonely, I have nobody for my own. I'm so lonely, oh, I'm Mr. Lonely, oh, I have nobody for my own. I'm so lonely.
Yo, this one here goes out to all my players out there, man, you know. They got that one good girl, dawg, that's always been there, man. Like, took all the bullshit. But then one day she can't take it no more and decides to leave.
Yeah, I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my girl wasn't by my side. Could've sworn I was dreaming for her, I was fiending, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking on these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad. 'Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life came crashing, and I'm so lonely, so lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody, I have nobody for my own, to call my own girl. I'm so lonely, so lonely. Mr. Lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody, I have nobody for my own, to call my own girl. I'm so lonely. Can't believe I had a girl like you, and I just let you walk right out of my life. After all I put you through, you still stuck around and stayed by my side. What really hurt me is I broke your heart. Baby, you a good girl and I had no right. I really wanna make things right, 'cause without you in my life, girl, I'm so lonely, so lonely. Mr. Lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody, I have nobody for my own, to call my own girl. I'm so lonely, so lonely. Mr. Lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody, I have nobody for my own, to call my own, baby. I'm so lonely. Been all about the world, ain't never met a girl that could take the things that you've been through. Never thought the day would come where you would get up and run, and I would be out chasing